This afternoon, looking very similar to how things have been going since this morning. Gray skies, mostly cloudy conditions for just about everybody under the clouds or even in the clouds still, with the fog that continues to hang around parts of the valley. Here in Fargo, it's just been some low cloud cover, but in other places, it's been a different story, and that's been having some impacts on our road conditions. We're looking at the North Dakota DOT map, lots of colors on here. We want to, of course, focus on eastern parts of the state, where we're looking at blue on the map. That's where we've got frost on the roads being reported. We've got some freezing fog impacting us in a lot of these locations. And the purple areas, that's snow. We've had a little bit of snow as well. So northeastern North Dakota, back over to Devil's Lake. And in green, those are seasonal road conditions, what you would expect to see without any bad weather going on. And today we do have some of that tough stuff impacting us. Again, Fargo, this is at the tri-level. Things are looking okay, though it is mostly cloudy and gray. Cavalier in the distance, you can see the fog. Same thing in the Cullum area. And in New Rockford, kind of tough to make out, but it's foggy there too, with the road surface looking, well, of course, it's this time of year where we would expect to see some patchy areas of ice out there, but the fog adds to it. And we have had some snow again today too. So ideal conditions not really happening for us in the east and in the west. We're looking at visibility down to less than 2 miles in Park Rapids and Wadena, and then back over to the west, 1 mile in Cooperstown, and in Valley City less than 2 miles, and other places struggling with that fog, bringing down our visibility, and in some instances still some flurries hanging around in Eddy and Foster counties here, and then back up toward the Cavalier and Pembina County area, seeing some flurries at this point in time. That's been easing up since this morning when we had a little bit more substantial scattered light snow happening. So that's lifting northward. We're going to get another round of it though coming up for this afternoon, more into the evening rather, and into the nighttime hours for tonight. Temperatures ahead of that, some 20s on a lot of spots. It's 21 degrees in Fargo and 20 in Grand Forks. We're looking at wind out of the southeast. That's making it feel colder than it is. So our wind chills are lower, especially in these places where we're getting those stronger gusts. Fargo, a gust to 26, Fergus Falls 24, and it's Sisseton getting a little breezy down there at 32 miles per hour. So your hour-by-hour planner showing mostly cloudy skies for the afternoon. There may be some breaks, but overall looking at some mostly cloudy conditions. Heading into the later afternoon, we warm up maybe another 1-2 degrees here with that wind continuing to be an issue. And then as we move into this evening, we're looking at some more snow starting to develop and move in. This is 7 o'clock. You can see that's in the Lakes Country area, and more spotty areas of snow popping up as we head into the late night hours for tonight. You can see some of us in the northeast being impacted by it, but also out west, a couple of spotty areas of isolated snow showers. So again, not everybody impacted by this. In fact, probably more of us won't see it than those of us who do. But if you do have some snow, it's going to be impactful for you. Look at this, our forecast model showing snow moving right over Grand Forks at 5 a.m. tomorrow. So it could have some impacts on your morning drive. And fresh snow, of course, from the overnight could also have some impacts on your travel conditions tomorrow. So again, starting off the day on a bit of a snowy note, but the clouds start to clear. And unfortunately, it's going to get a lot colder. That colder air starts to move in for the day, and our temperatures actually slide all day long. So we end up in the single digits for tomorrow afternoon. As we head into the nighttime hours, another round of snow tries to move in. This one Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Another quick coating of snow, maybe an inch or two. It's Friday that we're concerned about a more significant storm system that could be bringing us more measurable snow and wind. And of course, cold air, as you see on our 7-day planner. It's going to be chilly from this point on, we'll say. Well, we have the afternoon today, I guess we could focus on right now.
It seems like we just kind of cut it in half the next day and then the day after that, and just kind of keep going down the line.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty chilly.
All right, thank you, Lisa. Straight ahead.